everybody and welcome back to Sweet Cheat Sheets. Today we're making your new favorite summer cake. A super easy, super rich freezer cake. Alright, let's get started. In a large bowl, combine heavy cream, milk, white sugar, and instant vanilla pudding powder. I've been making this cake for over a decade now, and I can safely say it's a summer staple. And the best thing about this cake is that it's so easy to make. All you need to do is just mix everything together and put it in the freezer. No baking, no hustle, no problem. Speaking about mixing, this first mix should take you about 2 to 3 minutes on high speed until you see it getting nice and thick. Just like that. Now for the secret ingredient that adds a lovely tang, gvina levana, or Israeli white cheese. If you can't find this where you live, don't worry. All you need is a low-fat cheese like Greek yogurt or quark. Mix it in for about 30 seconds and your base is ready. So creamy, so smooth. Wow, it looks great. Okay, let's build this thing. Start by spreading about 2/3 of your cream mixture into the bottom of the pan. Now, take your biscuits or graham crackers, however you like to call them, and give them a quick dip in some milk. You want them a little soft, but not soggy. Try to arrange them neatly across your pan, so each slice would get at least one biscuit. Then cover them completely with the rest of that gorgeous cream mixture and smooth it all out. While we're putting the finishing touches on it, let's talk about how you can make it your own. So one thing I like to do sometimes is to add chocolate shavings on top, but you can really do whatever you want. You can add fruit in the middle, you can add jam, anything to give it your own pizzazz. Just gotta clean up those edges. There we go. Now for the most important step, put it in the freezer to firm, and after about an hour in the freezer, it's ready. It's creamy, it's cool, and it's the perfect slice of summer. So good. Thanks for chilling with me and making this cake. If you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.